Chef RedBeard here with another Dherbs kitchen recipe for you. This is a chocolate blueberry smoothie. I personally do not like chocolate, but I love this recipe. If you're a chocolate lover or you're someone who likes smoothies and are thinking about chocolate in your smoothie, this is great for you. Chocolate is amazing, anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and it's chocolate. Everybody, with the exception of me, and maybe you, hates chocolate or loves chocolate. Either way, I love this recipe, so let's check it out. Frozen blueberries. I have about a cup here. Bananas. Bananas are going to add body. This smoothie is going to be thick, it's going to be rich, and it's going to be delicious. If you don't like chocolate or bananas, this is not the recipe for you. I happen to love bananas and not like chocolate so much, so it'll be fine. So the chocolate for this recipe is actually not a chocolate bar or candy or any sort. It's cacao powder. Not cocoa powder, not dark cocoa, not chocolate powder, not the Hershey's that you have in the back of your cabinet. This is cacao. This is from the actual husk of the cacao pod that you can get cocoa butter from, that you can mill and dry and dehydrate and grind for hours to get chocolate from. So this is the bitter cousin of the super sweet confection that you are used to. Almond butter. Again, like the banana, this is going to add viscosity, but it's going to add a rich nuttiness, not like peanut butter. Almond butter has a more distinct flavor, but lighter in taste. I know that may sound odd, but the way almond butter works with blueberries, specifically in this recipe, is outstanding. I've tried it with cashew butter. I've tried it with peanut butter. Almond and blueberries just seem to go together so much better. Just think of like your breakfast cereal. That's kind of what that flavor profile is in this smoothie, breakfast smoothie. To that, I'm going to add some agave for some more sweetness. And again, because we're using the bitter cacao, not the chocolate, I'm going to add just a pinch of salt. There's no real measurement for the salt. You just want it to taste, but to break up some of that bitterness, that's literally about a pinch. Lastly, to the smoothie, I'm going to add a cup of almond milk. Trusty blender, and give this a whisk. So a chocolate blueberry smoothie. This is breakfast, this is lunch, this is a pre-snack, this is before the gym, this is after the gym. If you want to add some more sweetness, you can subtract the agave. You can subtract the agave and you can add dates, maybe 2 or 3 dates. That'll again add some viscosity and some protein to this smoothie. But for me, because of the chocolate, because of the almond butter, because of the milk, this is perfect. Blend it till smooth. Okay, so that's been blending on high for about a minute. And the reason you let this go a little bit longer is because the almond milk, this is fresh almond milk. So if it's not strained, it could still have some pits of the almond in it. And also the blueberry skin. You want to give the blade of your blender time to triturate. That means to chop up the fruit so that you're not picking out blueberry skin throughout your teeth when you're enjoying the smoothie for breakfast. You would think that a chocolate blueberry smoothie would be brown and murky, but look at this like light blue, almost purple Georgetown Hoya. Shout out to Hoya, shout out DC. Look at this. That is amazing. Again, for somebody like myself who does not reach or run for chocolate, this is a way to incorporate chocolate into your diet. Not chocolate candy. Again, this is cacao. This is the essentials of the chocolate plant or the pod, mixed with blueberries, high in antioxidants. This is breakfast. This is sports drink outside of sugar. This is everything that you want for something cool, delicious, quick. In a blender, you can do this ahead of time. You could batch this out to make smoothies. Oh, but when I make smoothies, they get frozen. Put it in ice cubes, pop it in out of the ice cube tray, put it into your drink. As it melts, you can shake it up, then you'll have your smoothie. If you like this recipe and would like to see more, make sure you like, share, subscribe, click the little bell icon in the corner, and make sure you follow us at www.dherbs.com/Chef RedBeard. That is so good. It's chocolate and blueberry. That is